Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hamza Rahman, and today I'll tell you about my C++ programming project. It is a teacher portal, and it is a C++ application that automates student grading using a CSV file as an input. This project uses a CSV file. It uses vectors, it uses structs, and it operates on relative grading. It allows the teacher for grading different components like quizzes, assignments, projects, midterm, etc. And it computes the total score and assign the grades of the student based on the class average, that is relative grading. And it offers search, display, and export features. So let's start with the code. These are the in hashtag include the libraries, and first we'll start from the first line. We uh, we used struct, and it is used because to hold each student's data. And then we have used vector. As you know, vector can shrink or enlarge itself according to the number of uh, quizzes and assignments. In our case, as you know, the quizzes and assignments are of variable numbers, a variable count. So we can't use an array because its value is fixed, and but we could use a vector. It can shrink its size or enlarge itself according to the number of the quizzes and assignments. And we have used double for the precision. Uh, as you can see here, we have used a function that is calculate grades, and in this function, the if and else statements are used for the uh, relative grading of our class or the teacher's class. Then comes the main function. Main method we have used, as you can see, the first thing you see when you open the portal, the teacher portal, is this line, and then this line. The HTML is used for entering the file or for reading the file. Here we have used this if statement to tell if the CSV file uh, is present in the code, or if the CSV file is not present, then this statement will appear. Or if the file name is wrong, uh, so this function, that is if exclamation mark and file, this will check if the file is present or not, or the file name is correct or not, and then the program exits if the file name is not correct or if the file is not present. So we use the getLine and string functions of both are that they are essential in our project for reading the CSV file and for parsing the CSV file and handling line by line and field by field inputs. So the first will first I'll tell you about the getLine function in C++. GetLine is used to read an entire line of text from an input stream, uh, like a CSV file, or you can say cin in the code. and it also includes the spaces and commas, and use getline to read the header lines that can be name, roll number, question one, or etc. And it is also used to read each student's record line. The string stream is used to break a string into individual words, especially useful when splitting lines based on delimiters like a comma. And uh, string stream allows us to split each student's data into parts, and it also allows us to convert each part using STOD, that is string to double, for marks. Here in this part we enter the weightage of the quizzes, assignments, midterms, the final terms, and the project in this part. And then here, uh, if the weightage is equal to 100, then the program will continue forward, and if the weightage is not equal to 100, then the program will stop, as the if statement is used. In this part, the scores are normalized, that is, quizzes divided by 10 and finals divided by 100, etc., and and weighted, that is, the weightage is given. Here, the class average is calculated and used to assign the grade. Here, the function is called that we assign before the main function, the calculate grade function. Here the user menu function features are appeared. That is the first option, display class result on console, second, third, and fourth option, and then you enter your choices, and then the switch statement is used. And these are the different cases, the four cases, that is case 1, 2, 3, 4, that are the 1, 2, 3, 4 cases, and the set W is used for arrangement of the name, roll number, and total, and it arranges all the lines. And if you choose the first option, display class result on console, uh, the all the roll numbers and classes and names and total will be arranged and presented in front of you. And if you choose the case 2, this file, our CSV file will open, and then if you choose the third option, then the user will input the roll number, and then the program searches and displays the student's record. If the record is not found, a message is shown that is students not not found in records. Student with roll number, that is SR, is not found in the records. And if you choose the fourth option, the loop runs until the user selects the exact option. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Uh, the code's link is will be given in the description of my The code is uploaded on my GitHub account. Thanks for watching.